Riuma icera ria mwanya ria kuonania unyitaniri gatagati ga thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru na iganda itiganite iria iri kaunti-ini ino.
We will walk the journey with our industries. We will always intervene where necessary, and we will work to assist those that are coming up. Governor
Lee Kinyanjui akioya mweke uyu guthikiriria makaya maene iganda ici niguo thirikari yake unyitaniri na thirikari nene mahote kwagirithia mirutire yao ya wira.
Mega Paper has mentioned about the reduction of imported paper from 35 to 10% is an intervention that we also should include to the cabinet secretary with a view of supporting our industry.
Governor Kinyanjui augite ituura ria Salgaa nirio rigutuika ituura ria iganda niguo gutikage na muhatikano tauni-ini ya Naikuru kuria guceragwo ni ageni kumana na iguciririo cia ugendi.
We will be looking at how we can improve our road infrastructure network here, both the internal and even the main highway, because it must be easy to turn, it's safe and user friendly.
Naikuru ni mucie uri iganda itiganite iria ihonagia bururi na indo cia mahuthiro matiganite. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru igiteterithia bata wa kumenyerera iganda ici.
We are playing a very big role as far as all of the big four agenda on nutrition and food security, and we will be able to make sure that Kenyan farmers are able to put food on the table.
And we have seen an upsurge in interest from the existing players to expand, and also for those who are outside to come here.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru iratanya kuhingurwo kwa iganda ici niguo kuhingura mieke mingi ya mawira kuri andu ethi na koguo kunyihanyihia umaramari uria kaingi ucungagiririo ni andu kwaga mawira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.